Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable Dolby Atmos sound on your Android phone. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings app. Once you are in the phone main settings, scroll down a little, look for the sound and vibration option, tap to open them. After this page is open, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the sound quality and effect option. Once you found them, tap on it. Here at the very top, look for the Dolby Atmos option. Click on it. Right now this option is turned off by default. To turn it on, simply tap on the main toggle button and automatically turn it on. After that, here you can see various options. Auto mode, optimize sound automatically for whatever you are listening to. Movie mode, deliver the best possible audio for film, shows and videos. Music mode, make all your music sound richer, fuller and more balanced. Voice mode, make voices loud and clear. Choose the option if you prefer. For example, I am select auto. And that is how you can easily enable Dolby Atmos sound on your Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, consider to like this video. Also subscribe my channel. Take care guys.